Hare Krishna. I am Mahaprabhu Chaitanya Das from ISKCON Hyderabad. ISKCON stands for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. And we have more than 800 centers all over the world. And the core aspect of ISKCON is training and education about the ancient Vedic scriptures. So as a part of training and education, we conduct many competitions. And one of them is value education contest. So we are having this in different parts of India since last 9 years. And till now 8 lakh students have been benefited. And last year more than 200 schools took part from Telangana. And 30,000 students participated in this competition. And many of them won the prizes like cycles, smartwatch, pen drives, certificates, and many more. So now we are back again with yet another interesting contest. This contest is called as KBC, that means Krishna Book Contest. Now you may wonder, what is this contest all about? Why this contest? So first and foremost thing, nowadays students know about Spider-Man. They know about Superman, but hardly they know about the Supreme Man. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Shri Krishna. And as an Indian since childhood, we have a faith in a God. But when our faith is challenged by some external circumstances and situations like this, then we are thinking, is my faith a blind faith or true faith? And many of the times these Indologists, they coin this term mythology. And then we think that our scriptures are myth, they are false. So if we don't have the proper understanding and scientific basis of these Vedic scriptures, then we'll lose the faith. And in computers we have GIGO principle. Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. So nowadays we see so much bombardment being done by the media and especially social media. And what students are seeing in that? All nasty things. Rapes, violence, and many more. So because of that, what is happening? Garbage is going inside. And then what will come out? Garbage will only come out. And then one will be loser in his life. But on the other hand, if you take good inside, like Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, then, and we can be on the side of Krishna, and then we'll be victorious like Arjuna, and then we'll get healthy body, sharp intelligence, calm mind, and happy soul. So choice is ours. Good in, good out, or garbage in, garbage out. Let us understand this by an example of a tree. So the roots of the tree can be compared to values in our life, and the crown of a tree can be compared to achievements in our life. If roots are very small and crown is very big, that means a person don't have values in a life but have big achievements. Then what will happen? When there are temptations in a life, when there are storms of ups and downs in a life, then that person will fall to it. And if both roots are big and crown is big, then that person can contribute to society very nicely, isn't it? So we have to develop our roots as well as the crown. That means we have to develop our values as well as achievements. So we don't just go through life, but we grow through the life. So just don't go through the life, but grow through the life. So for this purpose, this contest is there. So if you want to remain pure, then be with the Supreme Pure. Then we will remain pure. And what lessons will be learning from this particular contest? So the first lesson we'll be learning is art of approaching superiors. Then know the Supreme Divine behind this divinity. Know how to say no to bad habits. Real friendship. Safeguarding ourselves from media. from Putana will be learning this lesson. From Putana episode we'll be learning this lesson. Then how to face the whirlwinds in our life, like Trinavarta. 2 fingers too short. That means to achieve anything in our life, we always need our endeavors as well as mercy of the Lord, and much more. So this contest is very easy. What students have to do is, they just need to study the first 20 stories from Krishna book. Krishna book is having 90 stories. So students just have to study first 20. And we'll be providing them the question bank, which will be having many MCQs. So students have to practice those MCQs. And based upon this, we'll be having an online exam in the 3rd week of January. So this exam also you can attend from anywhere and everywhere. It is not that you have to come to some particular center or your school, no need. Just it will be online exam and it will be MCQ, no subjective questions, only MCQs will be there, and very, very simple. And the beauty of this competition is, it is available in both the language. That means English as well as Telugu. So you can choose whatever language you are comfortable with. And this contest is in 2 groups, from age 7 to 11 and from age 12 to 16. And we are having exciting prizes for the winners. So the first prize is worth rupees 4,000 rupees. Second prize is worth 3,000 rupees. And third prize is worth 2,000 rupees. And apart from that, every week we will be having orientation classes based upon the lessons which we saw earlier. And everybody will be getting the e-certificates. Now how to register for this contest? So here you are able to see the URL given. So please go to this URL. You can type in your browser www.tinyurl.com/kbcontest2020 tinyurl.com/kbcontest2020, and then one form will open. Just fill up that form and pay the registration amount online, and then you'll be registered for this contest. So registration fee is rupees 200 rupees with Krishna book, and if you already have the Krishna book of ISKCON, then only 50 rupees. I again repeat, for registration please go to this particular link www.tinyurl.com/kbcontest2020, and once you register, you'll be getting a Krishna book. We'll be sending it by courier, and we'll be sending a question bank through WhatsApp. If you have further queries, please go to our website www.tinyurl.com/kbcisconhyd kbcisconhyd, and you can WhatsApp also to us on this particular number. Our WhatsApp number is 9490650697. Our WhatsApp number is 9490650697. So I earnestly request all the correspondents, all the principals of all the schools and the teachers to please pass on this message to all your students, so that all of them will be benefited. Because if they imbibe good values now, then they will be the good future leaders, because right values leads to bright future. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.